Being able to add our own code to KuFlow allows us to make the most of its potential, since we can adapt the process created to the specific needs of our business. We are going to use our previous loan application tutorial as a starting point, in which we create a loan request with the authorization of an approver. But in the fourth scenario, where a rule said that all loans under 500 euros would be automatically approved without intervention of the approver. Having created the definition of the process in question, with its task and download the template, we are going to obtain a base to which the necessary code will be added to cover the demands of the business logics. As you can see, the entry point to the execution of the workflow is in the method called runWorkflow, where we will find the list of tasks according to the definition of the process and in the order in which they were created. By adding a few lines of code, we can make our workflow behave as expected. First, we will define the variables corresponding to the fields found in the request form, in which we will assign the requested amount and currency. Now, using the currency conversion method previously created, we will evaluate if the requested loan is greater than 500 euros. If so, we will call the task approval revisioning and define a variable that will store the value of the approver's response. Now, we will make a new condition, where if the answer is yes, the approved loan notification task is called. And if the answer is no, the rejected loan notification task is called. As we had initially evaluated, if the request is less than 500 euros, we automatically call the approved loan notification and complete the process. In this way, we comply with the premise that any loan greater than 500 euros must be reviewed by an approver, and if it is less, it is automatically authorized.